Now you eat just a little bit salty and greasy food. What happened? Having a dull headache and take a blood pressure 140. The blood pressure a little bit went up than it used to be, and you won't get well easily. What is the reason? The reason is that the capillaries are getting shrink and shrink. When capillaries are shrink more than 80% of the blood, more than 40 liters of the blood, it should be in a capillaries vessel, but it's getting shrink as you get older. So what happened? The blood have no place to go. It gathers in a big blood pressure, so blood pressure go up. So folks, just to maintain well of capillaries, you won't get hypertension. And folks, the causes are becoming clear. Among these causes, the most important one is capillaries. So in order to get rid of this blood pressure, the medicine, the food has to be changed first. So reduce the greasy food, and what if it's possible to try to eat no greasy food, then drink water enough so the blood make clear. Then you have to work out and get a lot of oxygen. So if there is no way to make a lot of the branch on capillaries, then you have to take blood medicine until you die. You have to force the drops the blood pressure by using the medicine. Do you have the hunching out? It's too easy. There's the problem is the most basic things. So folks, the diability of capillaries, this should be emphasized every day by you. The diability of capillaries, making the branch of the capillaries more and more. The most important is your mind. Oh, it's okay. You have to think positively. You have to do this. The capillaries are shrinking. Then your hands and feet are getting colder. What's the meaning? The capillaries are shrinking. Plus, you eat greasy food a lot, then the capillaries are disappearing very quickly. Then our minds are the most important. Then what is important to the capillaries is stretching. Stretching. The stretching is so important. Animals do the stretch even if they don't take Dr. Lee's lecture, right? Fiona hasn't come to the home for a long time. The puppy is so glad to see the owner, so it wants to jump right onto the owner's breast, but it can't. Why? Stretch first. Do stretch first, then move. Thoroughly. Dogs and cats. What about birds? Birds do too, folks. Magpies, the watching birds. I thought the birds in the cage that they didn't do it. I woke up in the dawn and watched the birds. What's the first things to do when they woke up? Wings. Then tail wing. What's next? Legs. They do thoroughly. That's the instinct. We are programmed so. You know what I'm saying? When I go to the US, they do stretch everyday life. Why are you talking?
Well, okay, I know.
They do like this?
Well, I don't think so.
Something do they like this? That's good. But if you do that in the Korean society, then what happens? This person ignores me. We say that you know what I mean. And we are supposed to stretch instinctively when kids wake up. Do that. Then what do you say to what are you doing in front of the adults? like this.
그래서 그 프로그램이
So the program almost died for Korean people.
또 심호흡을 하면
Deep breathing relaxes your mind.
그래서 이
So deep
심호흡을
breathing they
여러분이
should do the daily life.
그래서 예를 들어
For example, when you stretch 1, 2, 3.
이렇게
To this way, the oxygen supplied well. What happened to the capillaries?
이 사람이
Oh, the person wants to supply a lot of the oxygen. Then the capillaries started to dilate the branches a lot. But since we Koreans are in such a hurry, everything. Oopsie daisy,
호흡이
you can't breathe well.
예. 이렇게
This
되면
won't help you much, you know what I mean?
그래서
So, hiking is good. Not this kind of forced to lift something.
이거보다는 뭐예요?
What kind of workout is better? Oh, the air is good. It's nice weather today. Do this and hiking.
수영.
Something like this. The swimming is called aerobic exercise in deep breathing.
그런
That kind of workout is exactly you need.
여러분의 생활
Your
습관이
lifestyle
바뀌고,
changes,
모세의
capillaries dilated, the food changes into the healthy food, then you don't have to take the blood pressure medicine until you die for sure.
됩니다. 그래서
So
내 마음을
you train your mind and eat proper food, healthy food,
건강식으로 하고 물을
drink water,
짜고
not to eat salty and spicy food, and reduce greasy food. Try to eat the more the vegetable and the fruits and eat the brown rice. If you do this,
이렇게 하시면은
oh, the blood pressure that drops by itself without using the medicine. Why? You get rid of the cause. Do you know what kind of the person you are gonna be? You are not gonna say that you have the back pain. Then you are gonna be very flexible
가지고 활동이 안 돼.
and very active. You can do this.
정말 유연해져.
It's really flexible.
유연해서 여러분,
Folks,
막 이렇게 돼서
you can do this.
이렇게 되면
Becoming this way,
비행기에
even if you sit in the plane 12 or 14 hours, you don't feel the pain on your back. How comfortable it is.
그래서 정말
So you have a really
한 해가
relaxing ear
정말
and
혈압으로
not to
고생하지 않는
suffer
한 해가
blood pressure.